for archiving?
Okay.
I don't know, because I was just looking at getting a new computer, and one of the options you could get is to have dual hard drives.
Hi, John.
Yes.
That is
Hi,
mirrored
John.
automatically.
Look up here, it's Stephen.
Yeah.
And I was
Too
actually
busy
thinking
eating.
about that. A couple people at work have had their hard drives
There.
blow up, and it's been a disaster.
He's so neat.
I don't know, it's hard to back up the tape.
This is so rapid. They have a new compression system.
Look here, Stephen.
Then there's another company
Look here, baby.
that
John.
claims they can repair
John, look here. Look
your
up there. Can you
camera
give a smile?
over the internet.
Yeah.
Cell phone, I should say. Your
Can
cell
you give a
phone.
smile? Yes.
Repair what type of failure?
I'm not quite sure. I didn't get that far in my DD yet.
Can't lift him
Okay.
down.
But
You want to stand?
that sounds to me like
No?
a fantastic
Okay.
possibility because
Yeah.
all the carriers would want something like that
Say hi, Stephen.
to get the service part out of their hair.
Okay. You want to get down?
Well, yeah, it's so expensive to even fix a cell phone.
No, we're
So
going
You're
to
better
have...
off to get a new one.
Yeah, the logistics
More
of
later,
the whole,
okay?
so that would make it,
Okay, more later with
I
dessert.
wonder how they would do that though.
Okay?
Don't know. When I find out, I'll let you know.
Mine. It was so funny when he said that. My chair. He's sitting in the rocking chair upstairs.
Oh, he says it all the time now. He learned it.
My chair.
My chair, my book, my ball, my this, my that, mine.
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 My chair.
My chair.
I
I
know.
Oh boy. I know.
That's
We were at the mall this morning and he does it too, when he shouldn't. I mean,
Oh.
we were running around the.
Sure, you can have it.
Oh, wait, no, it's okay. It's dinner time.
Oh, yeah, what is that red?
It's a blanket.
Blanket. Did I give that to you?
No, that's one of
I
ours.
have another.
Well, and you know the other thing we do at work for backup, which are, I guess, are the people that really need to back up a lot. They have a huge set of hard drives
Okay.
that we all can
I'll do
just
it.
copy our
That's
stuff
fine.
over to periodically.
Do you want some of this?
And
Do you
then
want
do
to
they
try some of
transfer it
this?
to a CD from
You
the
see, I'm
hard
not
drive?
sure what they do.
How does he drink it?
You know, maybe they do tape backup.
You want some of
Maybe.
these? Honey, we're going to hold off on the
But
cookies and get
The
you
way to go though,
dinner.
for archives that you want to last 100 years
Okay.
is CDs.
Right.
The best you can be confident of tape having fidelity is about 10 years.
We're going to make eggs. Do you want eggs or do you
Then
want a
you
hot
have
dog?
to store it
Scrambled eggs.
constantly.
He wants eggs. He wants eggs.
Because you know, the little iron oxide particles.
Sure.
Honey, I know.
You know, we have another pan that they make that we didn't like nearly as much as that one. That one is a lot nicer.
Well, it was, but that's why I bought it, but it's really tough with a lot. You squeeze it on the side.
I'll give you one more, honey. But Grandma's making you some eggs.
Eggs, that's,
When you get food inside.
okay, all this on my
Okay.
Now,
Put it on like
you
this.
would take your sweater off.
And, yeah.
No, just one, baby. We're going to put these away.
Special little skill.
What's that? That is the cutest pony.
So how did you celebrate?
How did I celebrate? I cleaned half of the house.
Wow.
I had the day off. I took 2 naps.
Wow.
That's good. Wow.
And that was about it. Yeah, it's like, ooh. That was really it. Look at those little sea lions. It was a really nice day. It was peaceful and quiet.
Good.
I really wanted to go to the lecture at St. John's, but I was just too tired.
What lecture
those
is that?
naps. My friend Sasha Baker, her fiance is a tutor, and he had a lecture on Aristotle.
Okay.
Wow.
Couldn't imagine.
What's
sitting
his
there.
name?
His name is Dan Harrell. He's a really good guy. And he's up for tenure, so this lecture was really important for him. Apparently he did really well, so that... What do you... Oh! I think Mommy has the one that works. I haven't seen, he immediately turned the television on. He had nothing to do with the pony.
Whoop.
John, no bad.
He turned the television on and sat on the rocker. John, can I see you get on the pony? Let's climb up on the pony.
Daddy.
He's got buttons to press that do
Wow,
something.
Daddy. Daddy.
I took the batteries out of our remote.
Wow. Daddy, your ball.
There's a ball. That was a ball.
Wow.
Wow, what's that?
Uh-oh, wow. Uh-oh, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy.
What was that?
Wow, Daddy.
Oh, is this Harry Potter?
Ooh,
What is
Harry
this?
Potter.
I think that's the second one.
I can't remember.
No, he immediately turned the television on.
Oh,
Yeah, buttons are his passion, you know.
oh,
Ooh.
oh.
That's pretty amazing.
He remembers.
It's not gonna
It's
fall.
exactly, no, he won't fall.
Look at that. Look at you, John.
And,
Wait, there's like,
You need help?
He can do it.
There you go.
he can do it. There you go. That's what he says.
You want to get down?
I'll see John.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go.
Is it like this?
The neck is a little like this. It's very simple. It's short sleeve like this. We're talking wedding dresses.
For mine. For your wedding. I'm the matron of honor.
And it comes in all of these colors.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. I just think it's very elegant.
So,
Like my sister's.
is it long, the one you've got?
Mine is long and has a little train. But see, I think that you would look so beautiful either in the green or. But there's also this.
Hi. Can you say hello? Hello.
Hi.
You give me kisses? Say hello. Hello.
Good job.
Hello.
So happy.
Yeah, he was doing a good job of eating some eggs,
I can't quite get his hair to do, you know?
some bacon.
Can't quite cut his hair. Can you give Sarah a kiss? That's your mommy.
Oh, here, I'll give you both a kiss.
Say
Where's your
hello.
mommy?
Oh, sorry. I just shouldn't.
What's that? What's that?
He said, I don't know.
I don't know.
Is that a Christmas present?
Ow!
Oh, doing it, Mom.
No, 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 no.
no,
No, no. You little pickle. What happens when the bee stings you?
Uh-oh.
Can you go give Grandma a hug? Go give Grandma a hug. Where's Grandma?
I want you to do something for me.
Mommy.
Hey, you come with me.
Yeah.
Here,
Did you know that that is your mommy?
Yeah, honey.
now give this to your mama.
Oh, you get to give her a present.
Truck. Yes. That's
That's
a truck.
We can sit down, or you can open it later.
Do you
Yeah.
want to sit down?
Okay, now Stephen, that's enough.
Mom, it's okay. You're always gorgeous.
Wow.
Wow. Ain't
I like this bow, Mom. Did you do that?
no.
Steven did it.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, that,
That's a tray that looks like a leaf, doesn't it?
wow.
Look, honey.
That is
You gonna help me?
flowers. Pretty flowers.
Feeling my pantyhose?
Yeah, we can get. Come on in. We can get 3 people there, and we can get 2 people here. And now,
Oh,
Oh,
I know what it is. I don't know exactly what it is. I know what it is.
Yeah.
Oh,
yay!
What is it, John?
What's that?
I didn't see this. Did you see this?
no.
Excellent. Huh. It's about Evelyn Waugh.
Oh, that,
Thank you.
But you have to read what's written there.
There is a lady named Kate whose laughter and jokes are so great that she gets you to chuckle till your knees start to buckle, to be finished at dinner.
We
Happy
couldn't.
birthday, dear Kate. We love you, Mom. To be finished at dinner, you couldn't
No, that's,
You couldn't have
you guys have to finish it.
Oh,
up.
no! Thank you, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Dad, your handwriting looks steadier.
Daddy, love you.
I'm not sure.
I think so.
Uh-oh, Daddy.
What's that, honey? That one's off.
TV.
Thank you,
I
guys.
think it's important. And thank you, we'll talk to you about that.
Okay.
Wow.
Sal picked out a dress that she
Wow,
likes.
Daddy.
And John, Stephen, have you seen it?
We have.
You have? It's good?
Yeah, it's good. No trouble.
Excellent.
That would be a big endorsement for having children. If they keep you thinking,
Yeah, differently.
yeah, like there is another way of looking at stuff. As unsanitary as it is.
Is our roaches there?
Yeah. They're pets. Yeah.
Who's the director?
Kozlowski, something like I think he's a Polish
He's
director.
Polish.
Yeah.
And it has that
Pretty famous.
I can't remember her name. She's a famous French actress.
Name some French actors.
She's beautiful. She has dark eyes and dark hair, but she also now does films in English.
Sophie Marceau?
No.
No? I have no idea what the name is.
More of a crossover.
A movie that you've seen and you like.
Are we in the red level?
I know all about most. I know.
It's mostly those girls of the generation actors, and I see them like blinking, and I'm like, oh, I know these people. There's moleskin. Just get some on your way home from shoe shopping. Not that hard. Honestly. Your mommy. This is some of the old-fashioned things.
She's so cute. John, I just loved it that he ran up to her. Oh, yeah. That makes her day. He ran up to her.
And he did like the head first.
He doesn't really just have to his feet
Happy birthday again.
Pan Adriatic, eh?
Pan Adriatic.
You got him the right gift.
What's that?
John, you got Stephen the right gift.
She sat.
It got a little smushed. Bye guys. Take care.
It's very uncomfortable for him to get into the car. Once he's in, it's
Beautiful
fun.
sweater? That is a nice sweater.
Wow, it's very nice.
My sister.
Boy, Steve Steven, you're dangerous. with that.
Lamb's wool.
Oh my.
That's great.
What we're going to have to do is borrow. We're facing what's called an entitlements crisis.
Oh yeah, but that's unavoidable. That's never going to happen. Those people will not get their money. I will not get my Social Security, and I will never see Medicare. That's going to go away sometime in the next 30 years. It's unpayable by any means.
What were you gonna say though, John? You were gonna explain why money's being leached
Well, because
of that.
they'll have to borrow to pay it.
Well, we're already borrowing.
Right. But it can't go on. I mean,
We desperately need reform, absolutely. And to talk about a Social Security trust fund is, I agree with you, it's a fiction.
okay.
I'd have to shut up. Look at that face. It's okay. Look at this up. Hey, please porridge home. Please porridge home. Please.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Just like that.
No blanket.
No blanket.
Okay.
Bye.
So he fell into sleep. He didn't even, he noticed when we carried him up the steps. When I came in the bed.
How long has it?
He was so cute.
How long has he had the cold?
Just a day. 2 days. It's not a deep one. No, he's and he can't blow his nose, so he's it's taking this in there. I can put this on the noodle. It's gonna come. Right there.
Yeah, it should be warm enough in there?
I do. Look at the cardboard. I'm gonna wrap that in there.
Look at that little red suit.
Wonderful. I